I'm on the buggy, stuck in the woods. If you can look up there, you might be able to see just a little bit of fire. I was burning some garbage today and, well, needless to say, I got stuck. I'm waiting on my savior, KJ, right now to come get me. I asked him to bring the bee out, but it sounds like he's bringing his truck. Which, his truck is useless because four-wheel drive doesn't work. So I don't know what we're gonna do then. Or that's a train. No, that's KJ. I'll be able to watch him. There he is. Hi, KJ. My savior arrives.
How did you do this one?
Well, I went to turn around and I couldn't get up there, so I figured I'd back down here and see if I could get a run for it.
Well, you failed, didn't you?
I failed miserably. Well, we tried to push it out and that failed miserably. KJ's here now. Where's he going? Nothing like slowing down progress on a Saturday. Trying to get something done, and here we are screwing around with this stuff. Hey, look, there's my property line. Comes KJ. Oh, he's got Jack with him. Trusty Jack. I'm gonna save him too. I really do need to get better tires on the buggy. That way we don't have to do this kind of stuff. Thank you, KJ. We're gonna get back into Mongo's garage and work on Pat a little bit today. We hope to get that thing ripped apart. I already started massaging the, what was that, the passenger side fender. Yep. And actually it's coming out pretty good already, but we're just making sure the fire doesn't catch anything else on fire here. KJ and I are gonna get back to work. All right, let's get at it. If you guys remember the last video was of when KJ had removed the bed off of Pat. And now, well, we've got the cab stripped, pretty much all that we're gonna go down. I think the only thing other that's gonna come out is a couple of these interior pieces, because I am going to paint the inside of this cab blue. Found a little bit of a hole in that floorboard. Those inners are gonna need replaced like we talked about. Front end's completely off of it. Everything up here looks good. Come over here to this side. And we do have a little bigger hole over here that's gonna have to get fixed. That shouldn't be too hard though. But yeah, that's what we got. That's Pat. All right, my plan here now, I'm gonna get this thing outside, get it all pressure washed off, and then this cab's gonna come off of it here before we're done today. All right. this is what we got left. The cab is sitting back there on our jack stands. And the frame is sitting here without a cab on it. What you guys saw there is I was bringing the truck up from the yard was the failure of the dry shaft. Whenever they picked it up at the scrapyard, they bent the dry shaft real bad. And we had been driving it that way for a while, and finally it decided to fail. And you guys got to see it firsthand. But as you can see here, we did get everything off. It's all cleaned up real well now. So you can see what's going on inside of there now. It's in really nice shape. The cab doesn't, all the bolts came out. We didn't have to heat a single bolt up. The frame, shoot, there's still paint on this frame, on that cross member for the spare tire. But it's gonna clean up really nice. That C6 there, of course, is gonna go places. That won't live there any longer. We're going to replace it, of course, like we've said, with the M50D. And the 300 is sitting proudly up there in the front. So yeah, we got quite a bit done today. Very happy about that. And we'll continue on tomorrow. We're gonna red the garage up a little bit, get things figured out as far as what we need to do. Then probably start cleaning up on this frame. Figuring out what brake lines need to be replaced, what can stay. And all in all, just getting this project moved further and further ahead. But I'd say we're moving along pretty good here now. We got Pat separated out and getting ready to clean things up. All right, so thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Mongo Man is out.